Hey guys, today I'm going to go over Jetstream Viewer and how to view a cloud when you're given a Jetstream Viewer file. So Jetstream Viewer is a free application that anybody can download and install, and I'll put a link to download Jetstream Viewer in the description here. I'll also put a sample data set for you as well. So I've got this same you can download this same JSV file I've got here on my desktop. So when you open up Jetstream Viewer, it's going to look just like this, and then in the top left you can go ahead and open a Jetstream Viewer file. So click on that. The hotkey is J, and then you can go ahead and navigate to your the JSV file, and then when you open that up, immediately you'll be able to see the point cloud. So you'll be able to navigate around the point cloud. A left click is orbiting around whatever point you click on. Right click is pan, and then you scroll or you zoom in and out with the scroll wheel. So each station will be marked with one of these yellow pyramid things. You can toggle those on and off with this button up here. If you double click on them, it'll bring you into the view of this scan position. And when you're in the position of the scanner, you'll be able to see the photographs behind the point cloud. So everything that has point cloud data, you'll be able to see the point cloud. Where there wasn't any point cloud data taken, like in the sky here, you'll be able to see the photographs. If you want to turn off the point cloud data completely, you can toggle off the cloud with this button right here. And then now I'm just viewing the images. So if this is something you'd like to use, this is a good application just to view the images. If you want to jump to another station, you can double click on this station. It'll hop you into this position. When you don't have the point cloud showing, you're not able to orbit in 3D. So if I want to be able to orbit in 3D, I have to turn the point cloud back on, go into orbit mode, and then I can zoom around to any point. A couple other things I can do. I can fly. If I do the fly-through mode, if I hold and click and hold, I'll fly through. If I scroll forward, it'll fly faster. If I scroll backwards, it'll slow down. So that's a fun tool. Back to orbit mode. A couple other things you can do. You can take measurements. There's a little ruler up here. You can click on that, and then you're in measurement mode. So the first point you're going to click, is the first point. The second point is you'll see both of the points' coordinates in X, Y, and Z. You'll also see the distance in X, Y, and then the delta X, Y, and Z for the difference. You can click again and it'll get rid of the measurement, and then click off of measurement mode to get out of it. You can take screenshots. If you click it, that screenshot will be saved to your clipboard, so you can just hit Control V to paste that somewhere. You can also take a video if you want to film your fly through. You can do that. It'll be saved in an MP4 format. So I'm not going to do that yet. So I hope that gives you a good idea of how to use Jetstream Viewer. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to use Jetstream Viewer if it's given to you on a flash drive. So there's another version of Jetstream Viewer that acts and looks exactly the same way, but it can be put on a flash drive. So if you're given a flash drive with the Jetstream Viewer, portable and your JSV file. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So I'm going to plug in this flash drive, and you'll see I have this folder with the Jetstream Viewer and my JSV file. So the first thing I need to do is unzip this Jetstream Viewer. And when I unzip this, it's going to put everything on the flash drive that I'm working off of. So nothing has to be installed or downloaded to the actual computer. Alright, once that finishes up, you can X out of that, and now you'll see you have a Jetstream Viewer folder and then another file, and you're going to want to click on that other file, and that's going to open up Jetstream Viewer just like as if it was installed on your actual computer, but this is running right off the flash drive. So then I can do the same thing. I can say open Jetstream file, but this time I'm going to navigate to my flash drive, and this is the same file on the flash drive, and I can open that up, and then I have the exact same thing without having to have anything on my computer. So if this is the way that a file was delivered to you, it makes it really easy to be able to do everything that you need to without running through an install or a download. So, alright, I hope that helps you understand how to use Jetstream Viewer. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to shoot me an email. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.